Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my very dear students. So, inshallah, today's session is going to be conducted so as to familiarize ourselves with one of a very good resource that we use very often in our grammar class. Inshallah, it is very easy. So, we are going to go over very basic things about this resource. So, the objective for today's session is going to be we are going to go over and see how are we going to get an idea of root letters using this resource. And then, inshallah, we should be able to see using the same root letter and then see how different form of words we can see which are mentioned in Quran. And then we can also find out how many times a particular name is mentioned or the particular verse is repeated in Quran. And then is a very important one, which is if we are given homework or we are covering a concept about any particular harf or ism, and then we want to see how is that word is used in the Quran, we are going to see in just few clicks, using just few clicks, how can we go over how the word looks like, or how to find that particular example, or how to find that particular word in Quran. Okay, so let me take you guys to this resource, and that is called tanzil.net. Okay, so this is not tanzil.com, this is tanzil.net. You can also find that out using Safari on your iPhones or on your phones. But on computer screen, this is how it looks like. Okay, so you will see on the left side of this resource, there is a search bar. Like you are going to drop down and you see it. There's a Quran, and there is a root letter, and then there is an option go to, meaning you are going to put the word, and then you can find out where is that particular word in the Quran. And then you can find out and look about where are the particular ayahs or the surahs. You can directly go to that what you are looking for using the surah name, or if you are looking for the particular verse in Quran, you can scroll down, and then your number of verses are going to be mentioned, and then you are going to see in which juz. So if I'm just see if I'm looking at Surah Maida number 46, okay, so I'm just looking for Surah Maida, and I want to go to ayah number 46, and I want to find out which, juz this a particular ayah is, and then you can see here the juz number is going to be given, and then your page number is also going to be given. This is really helpful. And granted, these pages are on Quranic Usmani Musaf. So this is on Usmani Musaf. This Musaf is usually 15 or 16 liner. So you have to just make sure that you are looking at the right Musaf. Okay, meaning right copy of Quran when you're looking for the pages. Then you go down, and recitation option is also given. You can select your favorite reciters, and then you can control the speed of the recitation. So this is also very helpful. Going down, you are blessed with this option of translation. My dear students, look at the various translations given. You name it and they have it. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So we are going to make use of this option, and we do that like a lot in our classes too. And then is the Quranic, how the script looks like. So say there are the simple ones, and then there are Usmani Musaf. So we usually go to the Usmani. So that is how our page looks like. And then comes your default options, which is going to give you the font and the other sizes, and the mode is desktop. So let's go to our objective number 1, which was to look for the root letters. So I'm just going to stick myself today to Surah Al-Fatiha. Okay, so I'm going to look for Fatiha. Okay, so I am not sure what is the root letter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to, this is the Quran tab here that you can see. I'm going to go to roots. Okay, in the root section, I think this is al is just for the, right? This is not the part of root letter. So I am going to go directly to the letter fa. Okay, so fa. Then I'm going to, so the letter is here. So now I'm going to drop down and see where is the fataha, which I think is a root letter for this, right? So I think this is a root letter. So you can see here fataha, right? So then you are going to click on this search section, and then you can see, subhanAllah, that how the options are coming for fataha. Okay, meaning these are the surahs these are the ayahs where this particular word combination, meaning this particular root letter combination is used, meaning fataha is used. Okay, so this is the first thing, meaning if you are confused about any root letter, then you are supposed to look for that in this, roots option. And let's look at this one. This is Hamza with the mud on it. Okay, so here you will see there are only two options, Adam and Azar. As these words are mentioned in Quran, so you can click on this and you can now actually find out how many times Adam alayhi salam is mentioned with his name in Quran. Okay, and then comes your other Azar, and then is this one. Okay, so this is Hamza. This one is like it's written like Alif, but this is actually Hamza. So you can see under Hamza will come all the combinations for this particular, using this particular letter as your first letter. Okay, meaning you are looking at, if I click on, just imagine I'm looking at Athara. Okay, and then I have to click the search on, obviously, we have to, I have to search for it. So look at this one. Athara, Atharihim, Atharoka, Athorihim, Athorihima, Nu'thiroka. Meaning all the words in the Quran with this root letter are going to show up. Easy, right? So same thing, any letter you want to pick for letters, just imagine for letters A, you want to look, or you're confused about what can be the root letter, and you are looking for that. Zaraka, just imagine I'm like, we're looking for this particular one. So there is only one time Zaraka is used, and this is how it is used in Quran. Okay, so meaning you are going to have an idea about the root letters, and then you're also going to figure out by looking at the different forms, how the word is, like how the particular combination of root letter is used in Quran. And again, the root letters are it's like a set of letters which are used in the construction of a particular word. Okay, so meaning it's just like a seeds, which seeds in which sequence you are going to throw in the ground, and what are you going to get, what different types of words you are going to get. So I'm going to focus on our first one. Say I'm looking for the word in Surah Al-Fatiha. Okay, so we are okay. If you want to go to Surah Al-Fatiha, let's look at this one. So there's the search results, then comes your translation in the middle, and then the Quran. So I'm going to go to Quran. Okay, and then I'm interested how the word hamd, alhamd, how is this root letter, like how is like this combination of root letters has come in how many different forms. So let's look for that. Okay, so now I'm looking for hamada, meaning ha mim dal. So I'm going to look for hamada here, ha, letter ha, my first root letter. Okay, so I'm going to go to the drop down list, and then I'm going to go to ha mim dal. And where is it hiding? It should be coming up soon. Ha mim dal. There you go. So this is hamada. Okay, so again, let's search for that. And you are going to get all the verses on Quran which has this particular root letter combination. So alhamd, bihamdi, hamidun, Muhammad, and then yuhmadu, hamidan, meaning subhanallah, you can get an idea by using that particular combination and see how many different words you are able to get from there. Yeah, so subhanallah, it's very easy, super duper easy. You just have to use a drop down list, and then don't forget to click on this particular, like, this magnifying glass, because this is going to search for you. And again, if you want to go back to Quran, this is your tab you can use. Then comes something very interesting that we love doing, which is to find out, meaning how many times particular word is used. Say, I want to find out about Adam alayhi salam. Okay, so as I was mentioning to you, so I'm going to use my magnifying glass and search about this word, and there you go. So you can see there are 25 results in 25 ayahs. So very easy, meaning in 25 ayahs, the particular word Adam, the meaning, the name of Adam alayhi salam is mentioned in 25 ayahs. Okay, let's see another one. So if I want to see about Isa alayhi salam, how about that? Okay, let's try to find out. So I am going to go to Ain. Yeah, most likely Ain Yasin. Okay, so this is my guess. And as I mentioned to you, it's okay if you don't know the exact root letters. You use your common sense and let's search. Okay, so my drop down list, I am looking for Isa. Okay, so I am seeing, like as I mentioned, seems like Ain Yasin, right? It seems like it's very easy. So seems like I should be going to Ain Yasin. So Ain Yasin, and this is Ain Ya Noon, Ain Ya Lam. There you go. There you go. Isa. Let's find it out. How many times? Subhanallah. And you can see here. So Isa alayhi salam is also mentioned in 25 ayahs. So meaning there is a similarity between both Isa alayhi salam and Adam alayhi salam, not only the way they were formed, yeah, miraculous births. Also, they are mentioned actually the exact same time, meaning 25 ayahs for both of them. Subhanallah, it's interesting. Okay, so this was something easy. Yeah, easy. Meaning you just need to guess about the root letters, go to the particular, meaning the first root letter, and then look on the drop down list. Okay, so the third thing, I should say maybe the fourth one is I want you when we are given the homework, meaning we are asked what about let's just take an example of izafijaiya, okay, or is okay, so or qad or ma mausula or in or un. These are like the different forms of words, like different words which actually have a whole concepts embedded in them. So say I'm just going to take the example of ida. Not a It's like it may sound like difficult. How can I find the word ida? No, it's super duper easy. Let's do that. Use your common sense. It has, seems like ida. It doesn't seem like, it actually has hamza, za, yeah, hamza, zal, and then comes your next, which is alif. So three letters. Okay, let's look. So hamza, zal, and alif. So I'm going to go with hamza and zal. My dear students, look at this one. Very easy. So where is it? Hamza, zal, alif hiding. Let's keep going, and there you go. So these type of words, very short, simple, small words, are actually, you will see them ida, as you can see here, and then look at this, is also here, right? So very easy. So you are going to pick, and then you can see. So suppose for ida, if we are seeing how many times ida is used as an ism, how many times ida is used as harf. Very easy. So you need to see, is ida coming with Jumla ismiya or it's coming with failure. Very easy. You are going to say, this is my ism. Let me look and find out where is it used as fujaya. Okay. So I'm looking for when idha is actually preceding a jumla ismiya. Okay. Idha ahadu, not this one. Idha hadara, not this one. So keep going, keep going. It's so easy. You just have to flip the pages. Okay. So go from one to another. You're not finding, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay. So keep going. And very, very super duper easy. You just need to have a lot of patience and a lot of positive attitude and a lot of happiness that Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen that you are aware of this great resource. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And you can see I am not able to find. So subhanallah, every single example is coming within fail actually. So jumla failure, meaning I am seeing a lot of ida with fail, meaning ida ismiya. Let's keep going. So I just keep going. Like just see. Ida ji'na, idan not. I'm looking for ida. I'm not looking for idan here. Ida qila lahum, no. So I'm flipping the pages now. Okay. Ida asabat asabathum. There you go. Ida fariqum minhum. This one. So as soon as you will click on the ayah, the actual page will open where this particular ayah is. Okay. So that way you can have an idea what is going on before an ayah, what is coming after an ayah. Yeah. Where is ayah, in terms of the sequence of the, the discussion, what is being talked about, what is before, what is after. So then you can see is afarikum minhum. You can just copy paste it. You can copy like this one, and then you can take it to your wherever you're doing your homework. Maybe that be Google Doc or in your presentations. You can just copy the whole thing like this. Okay, you just can copy, 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 and then you can just paste it wherever you want it to be. Okay. So these were the few concepts that I wanted to go over for now. And inshallah, if there is any question, if there is anything that you want me to go over, you are going to put that in the comment section, and inshallah, we'll be able to go over them. Okay. But the main thing is you need to have a rough idea of the root letter, and then you should make sure that you are clicking between the different tabs here. Do not be confused. Where is I just put the ida. Where is it? Why is it not coming? No, you need to look for the search results. Okay. And then browsing of the surahs and the ayahs and the pages is very easy. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it very beneficial for you. Allahumma anfa'na bima alamtana wa alimna ma yanfa'una wa zidna ilma. Ameen ya Rabbil Alameen. With that, inshallah, we'll end our small session for today. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.